In this lesson, we're going to look at strategies for multiplying by the number 6. In this lesson, we're going to look at strategies for multiplying by the number 6. So, the strategy here is to think about 6 being divided into 5 plus 1. Then, you're going to take the factor that you're multiplying by 6 and multiply it by 5, and then add one group of that factor, or 1 times that factor. So if I am doing the problem 6 times 7, in this case, 6 is the boss, so 7 is the factor I'm multiplying by. And then I'm going to think of this 6 as being broken down into 5 and 1. So we know that 5 times 7 is 35, and 1 times 7 is just 7. When we add those together, we get 42. So 6 times 7 is 42. So the first thing I did was broke the 6 down into 5 and 1, multiplied the 7 by 5, multiplied the 7 by 1, and then added those together. Now really, if you know your ones facts, you don't have to multiply times 1. What you could actually do is just think about, let's see if I can get my eraser here. I cannot. Think about multiplying 5 times 7 and then adding a group of 7. So adding that factor again. Let's look at another example. So here we have 6 times 4. I'm going to take the 6 and break it down into 5 plus another group of 4 here. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4 is 24. So the number that I'm adding is this factor. That's where I got this 4 from. So I did 5 times 4 first, then I added another group of 4, which gave me the answer of 24. If I'm doing 6 times 8, I do 5 times 8 first, which is 40, and then I add a group of 8. And I get the answer, 48. So 6 times 8 is 48. So the strategy to multiply by 6 is to take the other factor so in this case the other factor would be 9, multiply it by 5, that's a 5, and then add a group of this factor. So multiply by 5, then add that factor one more time.